So we're working in conjunction with Victoria Police. They're doing safe vehicle inspections on vehicles and making sure there's safety use on the highway. If they find defects, they're issuing defect notices. In addition to that, once that's done, we're doing exhaust emission tests on the exhaust system, checking that the noise isn't excessively loud. So by ensuring regular servicing is done on your vehicle, will help assist in keeping the exhaust system components working as they should. For example, mufflers and that, because over time they do wear and the noise level will increase with undue wear.